let's buy some healthy food. Like this one, si glazed donut. 465 siya kasi gluten-free siya, guys. Since favorite ni Sapar yung donut, let's buy donut. So, meron din bread. Magkano? 495. This one naman, all natural siya. Even yung sugar na ginamit. So, try natin kay Sapar. So, ito talaga hindi pwedeng mawalan si Sapphire. Akala nila pag nuggets is very unhealthy. But this one, no artificial flavors or ingredients siya. Kaya very healthy.
Mom, I want ranch. It's for my salad.
Alright, put it there.
Let's buy granola, guys. Mom, what flavor do you like?
Chocolate. Yeah, and then milk chocolate. So this one, guys, healthy siya kasi kinuha siya na chocolate. So this one, si Sapphire, ganito rin yung pinapakain kong chocolate para at least mas healthier sa mga babies. Even tables. Get more. Sapphire, you want marshmallow?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. So this one, guys, medyo pricey lang talaga. It's because sugar-free siya. Pero mas okay na yon, at least mas safe sa mga babies. So let's buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Are you happy? Okay. Are you happy? Yeah, good job. Oh, kiss mo naman si mommy na masarap. I love you.